Warm greetings to all of you. Welcome to Feeling Schooling Odisha. Today, our chapter is punctuations. Punctuations means what? Actually, when we pronounce a sentence or write a sentence, if we do not give any pause in between, then the sentence does not give any proper meaning. For example, like if I write 5 sentences on my dog, and after each sentence, if I don't give full stop, where does the sentence start and where does it end? Therefore, we have to give proper punctuation marks. Use also while writing, while reading, while speaking. Is that clear? Okay. Let us see what is the definition of punctuation marks. The marks or devices which are used in writing. So where we use it? In writing, to separate sentences. What do we do? Why should we use? To separate sentences and to rectify. Rectify, what is the meaning of the word rectify? Correct sentences in a precise manner, in a very detailed way. Those are, what are they called? They are called punctuations, or it has another name called punctuation marks. Now for example, mother, can I go now? Now we are addressing mother here, okay? So when you address somebody, we just put a comma after that, and then we can use the question mark. So now in the second part, we have an interrogative, or say the punctuation marks used for an interrogative sentence or a question sentence. So here, comma, the word, this is called comma. Comma after the addressing word, and what is it? It is a question mark at the end. So I hope you have understood now, and you know that we use comma and question mark. These are the two types. Clear? We use, what do we use? No, comma and question mark. Now in the second sentence, he said, I am a doctor. Okay, he said, I am a doctor. Actually, I am a doctor, as I told you previously in our direct indirect speech chapter. Said is reporting verb. So always remember, before a quotation starts, we use comma after reporting verb. And this whole sentence, what do we call? The quotation mark sentence, like which is quoted by the one which is spoken by the speaker and it is quoted. So we put inverted comma. What do we put? Inverted comma. We call it as inverted comma. And as usual, we give comma after said, the reporting verb. Now third sentence, how smart you look. This is exclamatory sentence. I told you there are 4 types of sentence. Question sentence, we have used question mark. Now exclamatory sign, this is called exclamatory sign. Where do we use? We use it with exclamation mark. We use it with exclamatory sentence. So this whole sentence is called exclamatory sentences. Okay, this is called exclamatory sentence. So it ends, definitely it ends in exclamation mark. Now kinds of punctuation mark. Now these are, the list is endless. Okay, so what are they? Like they are full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, dash, hyphen, apostrophe, inverted comma, interrogative or question mark, exclamation mark. Now uses of these punctuation marks. Now as we know, it is full stop. Clear? Full stop, we are going to use it. Where is it used? A full stop, also known as period. What is the other name of full stop? Period. Okay. And in American English it is called period actually. In British English, as we call it, full stop is one of the most commonly used punctuation marks in the English language. So what is the commonly used one? Full stop. Analysis of text indicates that approximately half of all punctuation marks used are full stop. Now the punctuation rules. Mostly used at the end of a declarative sentence. Okay, so what we were discussing about? We were discussing about full stop. So this is actually the full stop. We use it at the end of a declarative sentence or a statement. We call declarative sentence as statement also, that is considered to be complete, not incomplete sentence, complete sentence. When the sentence gets complete, we put a full stop at the end. This punctuation marks means which punctuation mark? No, full stop. This means this full stop as a punctuation mark is also used following an abbreviation. So mind it, children. What is abbreviation? Now when we say, for example, Mr. M-I-S-T-E-R, we don't say M-R, like way we use it, M-R dot. Okay, that M-R dot is full stop. What is M-R? Abbreviation of the word Mr. My name is Beth and I turned 18 in July. Mr. White was talking with Mr. Smith. Okay, so I hope you understood it very well. एबे आसीबा आमे सेकेंड सेगमेंट को. सेकेंड इम्पोर्टेंट कौन आफ्टर फुल स्टॉप? द सेकेंड वन इज comma. A comma is used, okay, comma we call it like this. A comma is used to show the difference between two separate ideas or elements within a sentence. So commas have other uses as well, as they can be used to separate numbers and with the dates, like we write in our letter writing. So where are these commas? Where are they especially used? Number one, add a comma when two separate sentences are combined. Add a comma. What you have to add? A comma when two separate sentences are combined. ଯେମିତି କି एग्जाम्पल कौन कहूँ ना, we purchase some cheese, comma, and we purchase some fruit. Got it? So here these are the two sentences. It is joined by and before that we use comma. Next, use commas between words in a series. Words in a series. What does it mean, words in a series? ଯେମିତି କି notice that a comma does not follow the last word in the series. Last word in a series is always ends with a full stop. For example, he was tall, dark and handsome. Did I put comma after handsome? No, our sentence ended here. So this is the end. What is it? It is the end of the sentence. Okay, end. So end of the sentence will always end with full stop, no comma. Okay, this comma is not to be used after end of the sentence. So now because we have three adjectives to say, tall, dark and comma. Now next, use a comma to separate an introductory element from the rest of the sentence. How a introductory element, what is it called actually? Like for example, as the day came to an end, this is called introductory element. Introductory element. Now, as the day came to an end, the firefighters put out the last spark. Okay, so this is एटा जो आमर प्रथम रे आमे जो सेंटेंस किसी गुड़िक वर्ड नहीं सेंटेंस टी बनईचु आ कमा देचु सेटा को कौन कह जाए इंट्रोडक्टरी एलिमेंट. नाउ यूज द कमा टू सेट ऑफ द वर्ड्स येस एंड नो. को जगार येस और नो को सेपरेट करने आमर कौन यूज होता है कमा यूज होता है येस और नो को केमती कि माने जमती कि आमर थरे आमे कहू शॉर्ट आंसर्स जमती नो थैंक यू येस इट इज से भाया नो परे कमा तापरे थैंक यू एटा मन रखिबे नो परे कमा दिस इज कॉल्ड वर्ड्स येस और नो. तो जो कि आपण येस नो रे आंसर देबे ए भाया आपण को नो आ येस परे कमा देबा को पड़िबो. तो पुणी नेक्स्ट आमर रूलटा कौन यूज ए कॉमा टू सेट ऑफ ए टैग क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. एक्चुअली व्हाट इज टैग क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट आई शुड लेट यू नो. माने ये जो टैग क्वेश्चन टैग ओके या कहती क्वेश्चन टैग. आमर सेंटेंस होची सी इज योर सिस्टर. ओके सेंटेंसटा सी इज योर सिस्टर पर फुल स्टॉप हवा कथा किंतु आमे ताको कन्फर्मेशन पाई कोथि पाई आमे यूज करू to get confirmation. To get confirmation we use question tag. Okay, this question tag is used for that. Why is it used for that? Therefore use a comma to indicate a direct address. What is direct address? Now is that you Mary? It is the whole sentence is addressed to Mary. Whom it is addressed to? Mary, but it is at the end. Therefore we are using comma. Is that you Mary? We are not putting question mark after you. Clear? Next, so this is just you have to remember to indicate a direct address. Now number 7, add a comma when a participle phrase clause is used. Participle phrase clause. What is participle phrase clause? What is this is called why it is called participle phrase clause? Because walking slowly, walking is present participle. Walking is present participle. Now to walk slowly or walking slowly, it is used as a gerund. What it is used as? It is used as gerund. So walking slowly comma I could see the beautiful flowers. Next, use a comma to separate parts of the date. Now very well you have to remember parts of a date. Comma is used to what? To separate parts of the date. For example, as we see in the letter writing, Tuesday comma May 2 2016. Okay, May 2. So you have to remember that when we separate days and date we have to use comma. May 2 2016 was when I graduated. So after 2016, if you write in this form after 2016 also we have to give a comma. Now colon. A colon is a fairly common punctuation mark with a varied number of uses. It can be varied number of uses. Varied, what do you mean by varied? Varied matlab innumerable, many. Varied means many. It can be used to introduce a question. Okay, good. And as an example, a series, or even an explanation. So it is colon is a fairly common punctuation mark. Secondly, it can be used to separate two independent clauses. Finally, a colon can be used to show emphasis. जोर देखि जेतले आमे कहबो एम्फासिस सेटा को कहा जाए आमे कॉलन को यूज करिवु लेट अस सी थ्री एग्जांपल्स प्रथम टी कोन हो लिखा है जी ना यू हैव टू चॉइसेस सेमीकोलन आसी गला टू चॉइसेस पर सेमीकोलन आसला पर एटी सेमीकोलन आसी गला फिनिश द वर्क टुडे और लूज द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एटा हे गला हमरो कौन ना यू हैव टू चॉइसेस आम कौन एम्फासिस करिया को चाहूँ दैट टू इंट्रोड्यूस अ क्वेश्चन नो तो वेरी नंबर ऑफ यूजेस इट हैज़ तो टू इंट्रोड्यूस ए क्वेश्चन दिस इज नॉट क्वेश्चन दिस इज कोटेशन ओके सो फिनिश द वर्क टुडे और यू और lose the contract. Now that's because we have one goal. So that's because we have one goal. So after goal we are using the what? The colon. For you to consider your website is success. John has all the ingredients. What are all the ingredients now? Means, claims, milk, potatoes and onions. So remember children, what do we do now? Where we introduce this word you have to remember introduce what a quotation like in the first one now a series or even an explanation so where it is used colon is used for that now semicolon a semicolon is used to separate two independent clauses this you have to remember very carefully while still demonstrating that a close relationship exists between them. Between what? Now between them means two independent clauses. Okay, the semicolon does a better job of showing the connection between two statements than a full stop would. So full stop ठारू भी अधिक कोटा ना ए सेमिकोलन कोठी आमे यूज करू ना दीटा इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज मझिरे केमिति ना माय डॉटर इज अ टीचर माय सन इज ए डॉक्टर दीटा अलग अलग हे गला श्रेणी सेति पई आई कैन यूज इट देयर आर 8 मेंबर्स इन द टीम पूरा हे गला इंट्रोडक्टरी एलिमेंट एटा हे गला कोन हे गला एटा इंट्रोडक्टरी एलिमेंट okay like 2 from China, Japan, 3 from France in this way also 2 from Brazil and 1 from India all this for introducing the actually members in the team they use colon last one Richard always slept with the light on he was afraid of the dark okay so here we have put semicolon after the light what Richard always slept with the light on okay some may like some may not like okay so this is all about all 4 punctuation marks which I have used now dash what is dash it is actually hyphen type so like this a hyphen type the dash is used to separate words into statements there are 2 kinds of dashes 2 kinds okay the n dash and the m dash n dash shows a range or connections on the other hand the m dash is used in places where a common could also be used so in that case a comma has to be used for them for m not them for m and what is the other one for n the dash can also be used to mark off words or statements that are not important to the meaning mark of statement which are not important the dash can also be used as in places where a comma should be typically avoided. Now, next point of what? It is not colon is over. Now, dash. dash and em dash. Actually, en dash means what? Now slightly what wider than a hyphen. The en dash is a symbol that is used in writing or printing indicate a range of connectors. Next comes and thus we did it now 1880 to 1945 Princeton dash New York trains. Now 1880 dash 1945. So M dash, what is M dash then? Okay, clear, very clearly you are stating your things. Like twice as long as the N dash, the M dash can be used in place of a comma, parenthesis. So where do we use comma, parenthesis, or to enhance reactability or emphasize the conclusive of a sentence. I hope you understood. She gave him her answer. She gave him her answer in a hyphen. Now what is hyphen? Smaller than what? Dash. Dash to टिके छोटो. तो कोठी यूज हुए ताले hyphen. Hyphen is a punctuation mark with these main uses. क्या है uses? Now many people confuse this punctuation mark with what? With the dash. So which punctuation mark is compared with dash? Hyphen is compared with dash. Half the bill. Half. What is half? Like many people confuse this punctuation mark with the dash. I told you. But the two are quite different. What is the difference? The hyphen can be used in compound words, two words, okay, to link words to prefixes, and also as a way to show. What is the way to show? Way to show word breaks, okay, to as prefixes and word breaks. The hyphen rules and example. ये hyphen जोटा तारो rules and regulations कौन? ना use a hyphen to join two or more words together, okay, with a compound term. Do not separate the words with spaces. Do not separate. Clearly it is told that don't separate the words with speaker. Examples. My 8-year-old boy loves reading. Okay, 8-year-old boy. Where is comma used? Nowhere. पहुँच ही गला My 8-year-old boy loves reading. I work part-time. Self-expression. See, self-expression. It's a hyphen. Self-confidence. Self-consciousness. 19th century history. Old furniture. So this is all about the examples of hyphen. Off the peg suits, self-paced learning exercises. To link prefixes to words. Okay, these things happened before the pre-enlightenment era. Like pre-enlightenment, pre is prefix. Okay, pre is prefix. Now, what is it saying? That to link prefixes to words. So, pre is a prefix. It is prefix to link the word enlightenment. Now next issue is to indicate word breaks. Okay, the rule for using of hyphen. Third one is to indicate word breaks. Okay, for example, unlike what some people might think, the 20th century was very different from preceding time periods. So you have to here see that where all these are used, which one, the hyphen. So here where did we use? 20th century. Now don't forget to use it in your daily life. Apostrophe, it is actually a comma, but on the upper part. Where do we put this? The upper part of a sentence. Comma is put near, very like dash is there, we put here comma, but when we put this, we put this on the top. आमे ताको ऊपरे व्यवहार करि थाउ, केबे भी आमे एटाकू apostrophe को तळे तो यूज काहे की करबुनी ना, apostrophe टिके अपर पार्ट रे यूज हुए और कॉमा पूरा सीधा सरल वाक्य रे. An apostrophe is used to show that certain letters have been omitted from a word. एटा हमको जतले apostrophe टी यूज हुए सेतले आमे जानि पारिबु जे अरे apostrophe टा कोठी यूज हबो, जोठी कि गोटे दीटा तीनटा जत्ते वर्ड से गोटे सेंटेंस रो ताले आमे गोटे apostrophe यूज कले जाना पड़ जिवो जे ता स्पेलिंग टा एया किंतु लेखा हिची apostrophe यूज हेकिरी. The apostrophe rules, कौन apostrophe रे भी पुनी rules अच्छी कौन ना, use an apostrophe in contractions. Contractions तो he apostrophe is. Now these are so very important. Okay, now he is the I is removed, so in place of I on the top apostrophe is given, like I am. Here also, here this A is removed, so it has been put like this. Do not. Now in do not we have used the O of not, like they have. Now this is very important. Okay, they have HAV, so what has been removed? HAV, only HA. It is, only it is, like the way we wrote it, he is. Okay, only one word. What is that? I. Now I would. Here I want to tell you repeatedly that एठी आमर केतटा वर्ड को आमे डिलीट कर देचु ना, WOUL ताले रहिला कोन D, I would. ओके, WOUL जाइची ताले आमर जो हला एठी I would. एमती आउ गोटे भी अच्छी सेही भलिया, लाइक I D, एटा को आमे पढ़िबू I had. एठी नाही एग्जांपल रे, बट आई वांट टू टेल यू. ओके, आउ गोटे जिनस एथरे मु कहिया को चाहे, वुड सहित V1 आसीबो आ हैड सहित V3. तेणु आपण मानको सहज हे जिवो केमिति पढ़िबे, स्पेशली रीडिंग समय रे जोठी V3 थिबो I अपॉस्ट्रोफी D परे आपण सेटा हैड पढ़िबे, आ जोठी V1 थिबो सेत्रिता पूर्वरु वुड सेटा निहाती भाबरे वुड हबो, हैड हबो नाही. बुझिला? सेठी एठी लेट अस रे को वर्ड टी रिमूव हेची यू. नाउ सी हैज. अच्छा, एथरे हमर पुणी से रूल आसी जाउची कोन ना, सी हैज रे सी अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस ताले हमर कोन रिमूव हला, एच एंड ए. नाउ एच एंड ए जो हमर रिमूव हला ताले हमें जेमते पूर्वरु हैव रे हेतला से भले आमे कोन करिवु ना, आमे ताकू लाइक अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस रे यूज करबु. से भलिया रूल जे हमर जो सी हैज हु इज ताले तफात कोन, आमे याकू काहे कि हु हैज न कहलु, सेटा काहे कि सी हैज कहलु ना. The problem is when we put apostrophe s with the C apostrophe s, when it is V3 you read as has. When it is not a verb, who is there, like if I say who is there apostrophe s, so where we don't have V3 we have to read it as is. Now use an apostrophe to indicate position. Apostrophe examples. What are the examples of apostrophe? He joined Charles's army Charles's army. Okay, Charles's matlab the army that belongs to. Now this is possession. What is the possession means? Belong. So here we will say that army that belongs to Charles. Okay. Now Sally's hair. Sally's. Whose hair? If we ask a question whose, okay, the answer we get is the to be used apostrophe there. Whose hair? Sally's hair. Okay, Sally's hair was blonde and curly. तापरे पुनी कौन ना वी हैव पुट टुगेदर एन एंथोलॉजी ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस पोएट्री पोएट्री for the children. Okay, the possessions and poetry that belongs to the children, to be read by the children. They are very short and readable type only, that which suits to the children. Next, the boy's sister. Okay, sister of the boys आमे कहबुनी कारण सिस्टर एंड बॉय दे आर इन पर्सन. सो सेठी आमे अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस लगेबू. बॉयज सिस्टर मीन्स वन बॉय इज देयर और तार भौणी ट्रैवल बाय बस टू मीट अस. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द यूज ऑफ अपॉस्ट्रोफी. नाउ इन्वर्टेड कमा जमीती आमे इन्वर्टेड कमा यूज करू डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे. ओके, डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे. I feel I have really earned this, she said. So it is the she said is the speaker. Now speaker words put in inverted comma. Now this is called the whole line. Okay, the whole line is speaker, actual speaker's voice taking up her mug of tea. Now I told a fib about my age, little Tom said. So आमे एथरु जानिलु जे जोटा आमे कोटेशन भितरे जहार एक्चुअल वर्ड्स को रखिबु सेइथिरे आमे कोन लगेबु ना इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. मतलब एटा डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रो गोटे एग्जांपल जोटा कि मोस्टली डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच नहले कौन सी गोटे कोटेशन को कोट करिया पे यूज होता है. माने एटा आमे ताको स्टार्टिंग रे भी यूज कर पारिबु. लाइक जेमिति कि आई टोल्ड फिब अबाउट माय एज, लिटिल टॉम सेड आई टोल्ड ए फिब अबाउट माय एज. से भलिया क्षेत्र रे भी हे पारिबो. तो प्रथम इन्वर्टेड कॉमा रो सेंटेंस आसी पारे, तापरे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब नचेत ए जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब नचेत आगो आसीबो ये कौन ना स्पीकर सेड कौन सी भी जे भी स्पीकर ही था. तो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ दे हैव पुट इन्वर्टेड कॉमा विद इन द लाइक एक्चुअल स्पीकर्स वर्ड. नाउ इंटरोगेटिव और क्वेश्चन मार्क एटा तो बहुत ही इजी. जो क्वेश्चन मार्क we put, where do we put question mark? No, in a question sentence we use a question mark after an interrogative sentence as usual. Everybody know. Do you have a pen? I can borrow, she asked. एटा inverted comma भी अच्छी, question mark भी अच्छी, कारण एटा कौन एटा जो someone's some speaker's original words. Okay, so who is the speaker? She is the speaker. She's original word. Where are you from? This is directly, it's not an indirect speech sentence. It's like not within inverted comma or actual words of the speaker. It is actually a question sentence. Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used to show emphasis. Okay, what is it used to show? Emphasis or force. Okay, emphasis, or we call it as force. Now it can be used in the middle of a sentence. So where do we use this middle of the sentence? End of a sentence. When used at the end of a sentence, it also takes on the role of a full stop or a period. How? Now the role of the exclamation mark means the sentence ends there. We often use an exclamation mark to show strong emotion or give a command. This is all about strong emotion or command, that is called exclamatory sentences. So like here, stop, it is actually a command sentence. Yay, sit down, what a lovely view you have. This is exclamatory sentence. Okay, now sit down, these are all imperative sentences. That's fantastic. It is again exclamatory. Johnny, don't touch that. In the beginning, I told you we use a comma after addressing someone. Help! Good heavens! Ah, right. So, this is all about punctuation marks, but they are not that easy. Proper place of punctuation marks will be equally readable and understandable.